Hello, Standard 8. Your Arun sir going to teach biology, chapter 10, nutrition, and it is part 1. So, nutrition. The name of the chapter is nutrition. What we will study in this chapter? In this chapter, we will study about food and the compounds, the essential things which are present in our food and the uses of those essential things. And if we are lacking in our body, which disease will be caused? It means we are going to discuss in this chapter about the nutrient and nutrient which contain protein, vitamin, carbohydrate, fats, water, minerals and their uses. Okay, so in this chapter we will discuss in detail as far as vitamins are concerned, different types of vitamin, in which food they are found. If we will not take that vitamin, what will happen in our body? If there is deficiency of protein in our body, what will happen? Means all those things we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay. And we should take food according to our age, according to our need, that we are going to discuss. Means this whole chapter is related to food, nutrition. Okay, in the beginning there are certain terms which I will like to discuss. So this part is clear. Now first thing, what is nutrition? The name of the chapter is nutrition, and let us learn to define nutrition. Supply of essential organic and inorganic compounds in our body. Supply of organic and inorganic compounds in our body. Supply of. So if anyone asks you, what do you mean about nutrition? Supply of organic and inorganic compounds in our body is called as nutrition, or the process of taking food is called as nutrition. Okay, why we take food? What does that food contain? Nutrition, it is a process, and supply of organic and inorganic compounds in our body is called as nutrition. Means supply of food in our body is called as nutrition. But what does that food contain? Okay, that food contain nutrients. So once more, let us discuss about the nutrient. Such chemical compounds which is present with the food, which is essential for our body. The chemical compounds contained in the food and which is essential for our body, that is called nutrients. Chemical compounds present in food and essential for our body. Very clear or not? What is nutrient? Chemical compounds present in food and is essential for our body is called as nutrient. Okay, chemical compound. So we have understood about the nutrition, which is a process in which there is supply of organic and inorganic compounds in our body. Nutrients, chemical compounds present in food and essential for our body is called as nutrients. That part is clear. Now, one word came several times nutrition, nutrient, and nutrition is the process of taking food. Nutrient is the chemical compound which is essential for our body present in the food. Now a question arises, what is food? The third thing, what is food? Let us discuss. Can you define food? Substance which we eat or drink. Substance which we eat or drink. Substance which we eat and drink and contains the nutrients. What is food? Substance which we eat or drink and contains the nutrient is called the food. जो खाते हैं पीते हैं और जिसमें न्यूट्रिएंट रहता है, that is called food. Now, food we have understood, nutrition we have understood, nutrient we have understood. One more word came in my mind. What we say? अरे इसका डाइट तो बहुत तगड़ा है. Diet. So what is diet? Combination of food item. Combination of food item which we eat in our food, eat in our meal. Combination of food item. Food we have understood, that substance which we eat or drink and contain the nutrient. You can say here example, milk. Milk is what? It is a food. We drink it. Rice we eat and that contain the nutrient. Next is diet, combination of food items which we eat in our meal. While we eat, we do not take only rice or only pulse or only vegetable. There is a combination of different types of food. Dal, bhat, chokha, chutney, achar, bhujia, papad, different things, salads. And this combination of food items means dal, bhat, chokha, chutney, bhujia, papad, all these are together called as diet. Very clear or not? So what is diet? We have understood. Food we have understood. The substance which we eat or drink and contains the nutrient is called as food. Diet, combination of food items which we eat in our meal. And one more word came in my mind, balanced diet. We often say our children to take balanced diet, neither more nor less. Eating only potato, is it a balanced diet? Eating only fast food, drinking only milk, or taking only pulse, सिर्फ दाल उठाए पी लिए, is it a balanced diet? No. Then what is balanced diet? The diet which contain all the principal constituent of food. The diet which contains all the principal constituent of food. Try to understand. Balanced diet, the diet which contains all the principal constituent of food in proper quantity. In proper quantity for a particular person. Try to understand it. Diet we have understood. Now balanced diet. The diet which contain all the principal constituent of food. जो जो food में होना चाहिए. If all in proper amount, neither more nor less, all the principal constituent of food in proper quantity for a particular person, if all these things are present in food, then that is called balanced diet. Very clear or not? And we often ask our children to take balanced diet. This part is clear. So dear children, food we have understood, diet we have understood, and balanced diet we have understood. Now here I am confused a little bit. Okay, balanced diet understood, that taking food which contain all the principal constituent in proper quantity. Now a question arises in my mind, that balanced diet for me, balanced diet for you, balanced diet for your grandparents, balanced diet for a pregnant lady, balanced diet for a mother who is breastfeeding the child, feeding milk to the child, or balanced diet for a laborer, is it same? Confused na? Means balanced diet for different type of person is different. Means balanced diet for different person is different. Okay. Now it depends on, balanced diet depends on age, sex, okay, nature of work, okay, age, sex, nature of work, a special need. Now let me make you understand, balanced diet is different for the different people. It depends on age, means growing children, newly born, adult and elderly people. Their balanced diet is different. So your diet can't be equal to mine. We must have different balanced diet. Sex means whether male or female. Sex means male or female. The diet of a boy must be different from the diet of a girl. Balanced diet of a boy must be different from a girl. Your mother's diet must be different from your father's diet, because diet depends on age, diet depends on sex. Okay, means gender, whether a male or female. Third thing, nature of work. See myself, I am your teacher, I am teaching. As far as physical work is concerned, I am doing less physical work. But think of the laborer who is working in the field, doing hard work, hard labor. They require more food. So balanced diet depends on the nature of work. And balanced diet also depends on special needs. Injured person, sick person, a pregnant lady or a breastfeeding mother require more amount of diet, more amount of calories, energy or food comparing to us. So this part is clear. So what is balanced diet and how the balanced diet of different person is different, we have understood. Next, Coming to the some more term. Meal. Okay, let me discuss about the meal. What is meal? Food taken at one time. Food taken at one time to satisfy our appetite. Try to understand what is meal. Food taken at one time. एक बार जो खाते हैं दाल भात चोखा चटनी, meal. Okay. And you must have heard about MDM, midday meal. If you are studying in a government school, or if your brother and sisters they are studying in government school, the government school provides MDM, midday meal, दोपहर में भोजन. Understood or not? Midday they will give you meal. Meal means food taken at one time to satisfy our appetite. Very clear? Now one more word came in our mind. Appetite. Not understood? Appetite. What is appetite? Desire to eat. Desire to eat. खाने की इच्छा. अभी मेरी खाने की इच्छा नहीं है, या अभी मुझे भूख लगी. So desire to eat is called as appetite. And if appetite came, अभी भूख नहीं लगी है, then word is hunger. What is hunger? Uneasy condition, sense due to lack of food in our body. Try to understand. Hunger, bhook, uneasy sense due to lack of food in our body. If there is lack of deficiency of food in our body, we will feel hunger. Then what will happen? Appetite will increase. खाने की इच्छा बढ़ जाएगी. So hunger we have understood. Very clear or not? Now one more question came in my mind. From that time talking about balanced diet, food, meal, what? Why we need food? Then a question arises in our mind. Need of nutrition. It means why we need food. Very clear or not? Why we need food? Dear children, why we need food? We need food for growth of our body. If we will not eat, it will not grow. For the growth of our body, for repair of the wear and tear tissues, sometimes we get injury and there is damage in our tissue or cell, and to repair, food is necessary. For energy, food gives us energy. And since I have taken my breakfast, so I am able to speak in front of you. If I will not eat, I will not be able to stand in front of you, not be able to speak, not be able to walk or to run. So food gives us energy. First thing, it is necessary for growth and development of body, to repair the wear and tear tissues, to provide energy, maintenance of chemical composition of cells, in cells different type of chemical compositions are there, and to maintain that food is necessary. Providing raw material for certain secretion like hormones in our body, these secretions are there. Something is secreted from our body. Milk is secreted, sweat is secreted, and for that food is necessary. For protection from different types of disease, food is necessary. So dear children, why we are taking food, that we have understood. So in this video, what we have discussed: what is nutrition, what is nutrient, what is food, what is meal, what is balanced diet, what is appetite, what is hunger, and why we take food. Today up to this much. In the next video, we will discuss about the different types of nutrients. Means we will discuss about carbohydrate, we will discuss about protein, we will discuss about fat, we will discuss about minerals, we will discuss about vitamins. Very clear or not? So very clear? Thank you very much.